If left untreated, a fatty liver can lead to the failure of the organ due to excessive fat storage. However, you can begin managing a fatty liver by following a healthy diet. Some foods may require your attention while others should be avoided. If you have a fatty liver, there are 10 foods that you should include in your diet, as I will show you in this video. Grapes are at the top of the list. A naturally occurring phenolic chemical with several health benefits, resveratrol, is present in grapes. It functions as a natural SIRT1 gene activator, which lowers the expression of lipogenic enzymes and so reduces fatty liver. It can lessen the effects of alcohol-induced insulin resistance and regulate the enzymes that break down alcohol. It works to ameliorate non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, by preventing oxidative stress and lipogenesis. It also has the ability to treat alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, by reducing the expression of genes related to lipid metabolism. Another class of advantageous bioactive substances present in grapes are water-soluble flavonoids called anthocyanins. The red pigments called anthocyanins are found mostly in the skin of red or black grapes, as well as in the flesh of Teinturier grape varietals like Ruby Red. It has been observed that anthocyanins enhance liver damage, insulin resistance, and the clinical course of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. On the list, tomatoes come in second. Tomatoes contain the lipid-soluble carotenoid lycopene. Numerous health advantages of lycopene have been linked to it, including the reduction of inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, it regulates liver function and metabolic functions. Another substance present in tomatoes is rutin. It lowers triglyceride levels and inhibits oxidative stress and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Tomato juice consumption improves non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, by elevating the lactobacillus population and lowering the acetate to propionate ratio. Turmeric is ranked third on the list. Curcumin, the primary curcuminoid included in turmeric, is a naturally occurring polyphenolic molecule. Curcumin demonstrates a multitude of advantageous characteristics including anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, and antioxidant actions. Curcumin has been demonstrated in studies to help patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease lose visceral fat and abdominal obesity. It also lessens inflammation and the buildup of fat in the liver. Curcumin inhibits the production of fatty acids in AFLD patients and has an impact on the metabolism of a number of other substances, including pentose glucuronate, glyoxylate, dicarboxylate, and pyruvate. This lessens the strain on the liver and helps to regulate lipid metabolism. It has been demonstrated that curcumin supplementation improves fatty liver in NAFLD patients as well as liver enzymes, lipid profiles, glucose, and glycated hemoglobin. It also lowers the levels of inflammatory cytokines in the serum. In NAFLD patients, curcumin also controls the gut microbiota, bile acid metabolism, tricarboxylic acid cycle, and amino acid metabolism. Onion is ranked fourth on the list. Onions greatly lower liver fat, according to recent research. In addition, it lowers liver cells, alpha levels, serum levels of alanine aminotransferase, aspartate aminotransferase, triglycerides, insulin, glucose, and TNF. Garlic is number 5 on the list. Garlic contains a bioactive substance called allicin, which is the cause of many of the health advantages of eating garlic. It has been discovered that allicin reduces the number of particular gut microbiota linked to alcoholic fatty liver disease, such as Ruminococcaceae and Christensenolaceae. A decrease in the gut microbiota causes the levels of triacylglycerol in the liver to drop. Ginger is number 6 on the list. Lipid homeostasis can be substantially regulated by ginger. This enhances liver function and preserves the balance of fats in the body. Green tea is ranked 7th on the list. Green tea has a hepatoprotective effect because it speeds up the metabolism of alcohol. Additionally, by reducing oxidative stress and necrosis, it lessens AFLD. One important polyphenol that helps with alcohol-induced fatty liver disease is EGCG, which enhances lipid metabolism. Green tea and catechins reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, liver disease, and alcohol-induced fatty alterations. Hepatic lipogenesis is inhibited by green tea polyphenols. Insulin, glucose, alanine, aminotransferase, aspartate, aminotransferase, TNF, alpha, and interleukin-6 levels are subsequently decreased. Consuming green tea and green tea extract has been demonstrated to enhance liver function, fatty liver disease, hepatic fat accumulation, blood levels of ALT and AST, lipid profiles, and inflammatory markers in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Coffee is number 8 on the list. Coffee has a number of bioactive substances that may be beneficial for fatty liver disease. Coffee helps alleviate fibrotic state, lowers oxidative stress, and enhances the metabolism of liver triglycerides. Two bioactive substances found in coffee, caffeinic acid and trigonelline, have been linked to benefits for liver health. Total cholesterol, free fatty acids, phospholipids, and circulatory triglycerides are all reduced by caffeine. This suggests a role in enhancing AFLD patients' lipid metabolism. Coffee's main ingredient, tryptophan, helps treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, by encouraging autophagy in liver cells, which reduces hepatic lipid buildup and lipotoxicity. Fatty liver disease is suppressed by caffeine, and green coffee extract works better than caffeine alone to lower hepatic triglycerides. Additionally, caffeine helps lessen the inflammatory response, steatosis, and damage to liver cells caused by alcohol. It has been discovered that caffeine inhibits the hepatic stellate cells activation, which is implicated in liver fibrosis. Medicinal plants are ranked 9th on the list. The first is Rhodiola rosea, sometimes referred to as rose root or Arctic root. Arctic root naturally contains a phenolic substance called salidroside. Its favorable effects in fatty liver disease may be attributed to its demonstrated antioxidative and improved lipid metabolism. Milk thistle is the second. Milk thistle has a lipophilic active compound called silymarin. It comprises a number of substances, such as isosilibin, silibin, silidionin, and silicristin. Silibin is one of these ingredients that has proven to have strong hepatoprotective properties. Ginseng comes in third. Amorphous substances called ginsenosides are present in ginseng. The two main classes into which they can be divided are protopanexadiol and protopanexatriol. Ginsenosides have been shown to reduce hunger by influencing the ventromedial hypothalamus nucleus and to prevent the intestines from absorbing fat, which helps to alleviate fatty liver disease. Fruits are listed last. The first fruit is the lemon. Lemon juice consumption can reduce alcohol-induced hepatic lipid buildup and peroxidation in a dose-dependent manner. Blueberries come in second, because blueberry juice inhibits apoptosis, and it can help with AFLD. By stimulating autophagy, polyphenols in blueberries can also aid in the elimination of lipids. Lychee comes in third. By reducing oxidative stress, intestinal dysbiosis, and hepatic fat metabolism, phenolic chemicals found in lychees can help treat AFLD. Mulberry comes in fourth. Mulberry aqueous extract can enhance AFLD by altering the intestinal flora and hastening the breakdown of alcohol. Acai comes in fifth. Acai fruit reduces oxidative stress and inflammatory response, which helps mitigate liver damage caused by alcohol. Therefore, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases may benefit from these diets. Allow me to now discuss some safety measures around these foods. Garlic contains excess allicin, which can irritate the stomach, particularly when ingested too rapidly or on an empty stomach. Fruits high in fructose should be eaten in moderation by those who have fatty livers, because consuming too much fructose can make their condition worse. Although EGCG and tea polyphenols are usually regarded as safe, excessive doses of EGCG may cause moderate side effects, including gastrointestinal discomfort. That's all I have to say for now. Thank you, and I hope this video was helpful.